Hello and welcome to the Java Interview Help course. Is multiple inheritance not supported in Java? Multiple inheritance is not supported because if we inherit from two classes which we have same method, for example, here we have the rich confused child, which extend to father and mother, which has the same method, money. Now when we invoke the method using the rich confused child in instance or object, the compiler will not know which method is it should bind to or which money meant that it should invoke. That is the one reason why multiple inheritance is not supported, to get a compile time issue. If we try to invoke, make things even more complex, we have the classic diamond problem we see in the language like C++. If we have grandparent class that also has the money method, then the compiler will find it even more difficult to decide which method should be invoked, which when the rich confused state object is used to invoke the money method. So that is why multiple inheritance is not supported. That's it for today's. Please share your feedback, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. It motivates me a lot for making more videos. Thanks.